Hello, welcome to Steso Performance, and today I wanna introduce our McLaren 720. This is the shop car, and we will show you a little bit about what we do and what kind of upgrade we have on our online store for this McLaren 720, and not only for the 720, for another P13, P14, and P11 platform. This car is equipped with our coolant system, the intercoolers, heat exchangers, and ice tank with the water pump and controller for that. I will pop the hood and you can see how is the system works. Come on. Here is our ice tank with the water pump, and here is the controller to adjust the speed and efficiency for the water pump. Here is our heat exchanger, and this system is separate system because McLaren have a two circle, the high temp and low temp. And actually we separate the high temp system. It's cooling the engine with the two radiator on the side inside the rear quarter panel. It's a cooling for the engine and for gears. The clutch system and intercoolers, this is the low temp circle. What is included? Two intercoolers, two heat exchanger, and this side, and left and right side. And that system used for cooling down the clutch system from the transmission. We separate the system. Now is this radiator, let's say heat exchanger. It's not like, it looks like radiator, but this is the heat exchanger. It's only for the clutch. The other side, the other heat exchanger, what is our Steso Performance custom high flow, work with the independent system for the intercoolers and for the ice tank. And we test this system especially at drag race and track. Its efficiency over 45% from the stock. The stock system on McLaren is not that bad, but if you really track your car, or you want really cool cold air inside your intake, this is the ice tank, and you can load it with the ice and get like almost negative. I'm joking, not negative of course, but it's really cold air for much more boost. I will show you one more things from Steso Performance. This is the harness bar, our titanium harness bar. It's a custom, and especially for people who track the car. You can see the lightweight titanium. It's similar, looks like the MCO, but less expensive than that. And especially with the Senna seat, of course, it's gonna be work well. This car is equipped with our exhaust system and downpipe, exhaust, and titanium tips. Also, this car equipped with our boost and intake elbows. Boost, charge, and intake. This is the whole kit you can find right there on our online store. If you have any question, guys, welcome.
Welcome to Steso Performance, your trusted source for OEM and performance parts for McLaren, Ferrari, Porsche, Lamborghini, Audi, and BMW. Most orders ship the same day, and as a US-based company, we take pride in fast, reliable service. All Steso Performance brand parts are proudly designed, manufactured, and tested in the United States, proven on the track, built for the road.